Do you know what the #1 complaint is for men and women when it comes to our skin? Well, I bet you do, because you may have the same complaint. Sharon Torres-Emile, she's a master esthetician, and she hears it all the time, no doubt. Sharon, what are the top 3 reasons people come to see you, and what are they saying?
To tighten their skin,
okay,
to tone up the color, and to change the texture of it.
Ah, okay. If we could do all 3 of those things, that would be a miracle. But you're a miracle worker.
Absolutely.
Because that's exactly what you do.
We make it work.
Let's talk about the important part of it, and that is the consultation. And we actually visited you at Skinthropology not too long ago, but this is essential for you. Why is that?
Well, because we're all unique. Everybody's different. Their concerns, the desires that they want. It's not a cookie cutter approach.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it's silly to think that we can go into someone and let them change our look, when in all reality, we just want to look like ourselves, just younger.
Yeah, just a little better.
Freshened up.
Freshened up, I like that. Now, your treatment plan is often different, and it kind of depends, I know, on the skin tone and texture, but also on the age. You might treat people that are 40 a little bit different than the treatment that you give them in their 60s.
Absolutely. So when we're younger, maybe we just need to go in and get rid of some smile lines or 11s or some of that crepiness that's occurring. And then as we age, gravity drops our jawline and makes our neck lax, and that requires like laser. We really need to go in there and cinch that up and get it back to our youth again.
And what we're seeing here are these before and afters. This is not a surgical procedure. This is a treatment that you do in your office.
Absolutely.
So tell me about those types of treatments.
Well, first of all, there's not going to be any bruising. There's no anesthesia. You don't have to worry about infection. You're not going to be cut. These are all non-surgical procedures. So it's an easy way that you can look like you, just a much better version of you in a short period of time, without any downtime.
A younger version of you, that's what we want, right? Okay, let's talk about the actual treatments, because as you said, it depends on our skin tone and our texture. They're all different, but you have a success plan and you put this together for each person. So,
yes.
But you're using the combination of treatments.
We are. So we'll look at skincare, we'll look at ingredient that they're using at home, because twice a day, every day, we can treat our skin. But what are we treating it with?
Right.
Is it effective? Does it have value? Does it have measurable amounts of ingredient? And then we'll stack treatments. So we'll do a facial followed by a tightening treatment, and maybe some collagen induction afterwards to fill up areas.
Now look at her face. That is amazing.
So this is utilizing a peel and then going in afterwards about 3 weeks later and doing some radio frequency.
And what did you do to this woman here? Because
this is an equivalent of a facelift. She's 3 treatments into a series of 5, and she's in her 60s and just wants to look like she did in her 40s and 50s.
And she does. And after 3 simple treatments.
Yes.
Okay. So when you and is that pretty average for most people? Because you usually I hear 3 treatments a lot coming from you.
Yes. Well, we give them the option, depending on their age and stage, of doing 3 and then maybe going on to do 2 more or 3 more, depending on the outcome they desire, the age, and where they're at in the process.
Okay. And you also offer products, and you brought some of them today, that help keep the work that you do on us going.
Yes, because we're a medical practice, we do everything that's over the counter or prescribed through a physician or pharmacy.
Okay, all right, good to know. You also have a special event coming up tomorrow?
Yes, tomorrow night we have an event in our spa where we're going to be doing some treatments. We're going to be giving away some samples. We're going to be looking at people's product. If you want to bring it in, the event is at Skinthropology from 4 to 6 tomorrow night.
Okay.
We have some drinks and food and a lot of education information.
I like that. So you can bring in some of the products that you're using, and you'll take a look at them and tell them if it's...
Absolutely. I'm a specialist in ingredients.
Oh, she is.
I love to share.
She's a little scientist is what she is. All right, here's a special offer that Sharon brought to you today. This is for the first 25 callers who call in to Skinthropology. You're going to receive a complimentary consultation if you can't make it to the event tomorrow, which you'll probably get a consultation while you're there. Skinthropology swag bag and $100 off Relift and Refirm, her special treatments that she provides. Skinthropology is located at 16640 North Scottsdale Road in Scottsdale. That's inside Paris, Paris. 480-998-1323. Learn more at skinthropology.com.